Hello my dear student, welcome in biology class 11. Chapter number 5 is going on, that is morphology of flowering plants. Today part 7. Today I am going to describe how are the plants are described with the floral formula. So let us, we know that flowering plant, so there are different feature, by that we can describe their parts, their sepal, petal, calyx, corolla, endosym, gynoecium, etc. But here one rule and regulation for the formulating that represent the morphological characteristic feature of the flowering plants. So let us start now one by one. That is, first, here plant is described beginning with its habit, vegetative character, roots, stem and leaves, and then floral inflorescence, and last one is with their flower parts. Here semi-technical description of a typical flowering plants, how we can describe the plants. So plants, simply we can define the plants with their habitat, vegetative character, and root, stem, leaves, then floral influence and different floral parts. So let us, here floral parts, they have the recognized floral formula, that is represented by the different symbol. One by one we can see. First one is the floral formula is represented by the some symbols, that is here BR means bracteate, K for calyx, capital K, capital C is equal to corolla, then capital P perianth, capital A endosym, G gynoecium, capital G gynoecium, and J below bar is superior ovary, G upper lining drawn is inferior ovary. This is the symbol of male, and this one is the zero arrow, upon arrow is male, and zero below plus is female. This is the both male and female, they are called bisexual, and within the bracket plus actinomorphic, and this is percentage, so the zygomorphic characters of the flowering plant. And fusion is represented by enclosing the bracket. Fusion in represented by the enclosing the bracket within the bracket, and adhesion is shows by line draw above symbol of the floral parts. So this is all about floral representation and their symbol. Once again, we are studying about semi-technical description of a typical flowering plants, in which we know that the flowering plants have the different characteristic feature for describing their morphological character, but we know that the plants is described beginning with their habits, vegetative character, root, stem and leaves, then floral influence other floral parts. Here floral formula is represented by the some symbol. First, one by one you can see also in your textbook. BR bracteate, K for calyx, C for corolla, P perianth, A endosym, G gynoecium, G below line or superior ovary, जो above line inferior ovary. This is male, female, bisexual, actinomorphic, zygomorphic, and fusion within the bracket, and addition, that line draw above the symbols. So this is the representation of description of flowering plants. Next one is the description of some important family. That is, first one is the family Fabaceae. Fabaceae family. This is belong from subfamily Leguminosae. And about this is earlier, this family is earlier known as Papilionoideae. Their vegetative character they have herbs, shrubs and trees, root with the root nodule. And their stem is erect and climber, and leaves is alternate, pinnately compound or simple, and leaf base is pulvinate, stipulate, venation is reticulate in the family Fabaceae. Their floral formula is this one. They are actinomorphic or zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla is 5 with ratio 1:2 fused, androecium is 9+1 is 10 androecium, and they have the inferior ovary, that is 1 in their floral formula. They are actinomorphic in nature or zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5 means sepal 5, corolla is 5 1+2 fused ratio, and androecium is 10, that is a diadelphous, and gynoecium is with inferior ovary in the monocapillary or one capillary. So this is about family Fabaceae. Once again, they are belong from the subfamily Leguminosae, earlier known as Papilionoidea, and their vegetative character herbs, shrubs, and trees with their root nodules. Stem is erect and climber, leaves alternate, pinnately compound, simple, leaf base is pulvinate, stipulate, venation is reticulate, and their floral formula here in the front of you. This is actinomorphic or zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla is polypeptide 1+2 ratio, and this one androecium is 10 with diadelphous, and gynoecium inferior ovary 1. And their economic importance of this family Fabaceae, their plants belonging to this family, the plants belonging to the family are sources of pulses like gram, arhar, beans, pea, etc., and edible oil like groundnut and soya bean, etc. This is economic importance of the family Fabaceae. And once again, we are studying about the description of family. First one is the Fabaceae family that belong from the subfamily Leguminosae, and they are earlier known as Papilionoidea, and their vegetative character, they are herbs, shrubs, trees with the root nodules. Stem is erect and climber, and leaves are alternate, pinnately compound or simple, leaf base is pulvinate, stipulate, and venation is reticulate. The polar formula, they are actinomorphic or zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla 5 1+2 ratio, and this one is androecium 9+1, that is monocapillary, and gynoecium is 1 with inferior ovary. Economic importance of this family Fabaceae, they belongs from this family from the sources of the pulses like gram, arhar, bean, pea, etc., and also they are edible oil, groundnut and soybean oil. This is all about family Fabaceae. Next is the family Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae is large family. It is large family and commonly called potato family. It is large family and commonly called potato family. It is widely distributed in the tropics region, subtropic region, and temperate zone. It is widely distributed means ये पाया जाता है कहाँ ट्रॉपिक्स में, सब ट्रॉपिक्स रीजन में और टेम्परेट जोन में. And plants mostly their vegetative character herbs, shrubs, and small trees. They are mostly herbs, shrubs, and small trees. And stem herbaceous, greenish color, rarely woody, aerial, erect, and cylindrical, bronzed, solid, hairy, and underground stem found in potato. इनका स्टेम क्या होता है, हर्बेसियस होते हैं, सॉलिड होते हैं, हेयरी होते हैं, हेयर पाया जाता है इसमें, और अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम पाया जाता है किसमें, पोटैटो में, दैट इज सोलेनम ट्यूबेरोशम. लीव्स कैसा होता है इसमें, अल्टरनेट होता है, सिंपल होते हैं, रेयरली दे आर कंपाउंड. एंड दिस इज फ्लोरल फार्मूला ऑफ सोलेनेसी. they are actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5 and united, corolla 5 united, androecium 5 is united, that have valvate estivation, gynosium is bicarpus, here you can see, and with the superior ovary. Once again, they actinomorphic in nature, bisexual because both male and female present, calyx 5 with united, and corolla 5 united, androecium 5 united with valvate estivation, gynosium is bicarpus with superior ovary. And their economic importance of this family, Solanaceae, many of them are sources of food material like potato, tomato, brinjal, etc., and some spices just like chili. Important of this, इस फैमिली का इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, इससे सोर्स किसका होता है फ्रूट का, पोटैटो का, टोमेटो, ब्रिंजल और चिली मिलते हैं, इसमें बिलोंग करते हैं फैमिली सोलेनेसी में. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फैमिली सोलेनेसी. Last one is the family Liliaceae. That is also commonly known as the lily family. This is known as the lily family. You know about the animal lily. This plant family category have the lily like. They are the family Liliaceae. They are distributed worldwide. पूरी दुनिया में फैले हुए हैं family Liliaceae. And they are perennial. They are perennial herbs with underground bulbs. इसमें underground bulbs पाए जाते हैं. That's just like a bud. And leaves are mostly basal, alternate and linear. Their leaves is basal, alternate and linear in feature. And here their plural formula. They are actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth present in the ratio of 3+3, androecium 3+3, and gynosium with tricarpic. They are superior ovary. You can see here plural bisexual, actinomorphic, sepal and petal. Means sepal petal having absent and having it, they have perianth. फैमिली लिलिएसी में क्या होता है, एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक होते हैं नेचर में, बाइसेक्सुअल होते हैं, बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल प्रेजेंट इन द सेम प्लांट ऑर्गेनिक, पेरियंथ पाए जाते हैं इसमें 3+3 रेशियो में 6, एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक एंड्रोसियम इसमें 3+3 पाया जाता है, एंड गाइनोसियम यहाँ पे ट्राइकार्पिक और सुपीरियर ओवरी होता है, इसमें सेपल और पेटल, कैलिक्स और कलोरा दोनों एब्सेंट होते हैं. इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ दिस फैमिली. This family includes ornamental plants like tulip, medicine, aloe, vegetable, colchicine. ये क्या होते हैं इनमें इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंट, ये ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स में आते हैं. जैसे तुलिप का प्लांट आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, एलोए, एलोवेरा एंड आल्सो colchicine. ये सब क्या है इसके इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट आर यूज्ड फॉर द ऑर्नामेंटल पर्पस बाय द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स फॉर डेकोरेशन ऑफ देयर हाउसेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिफरेंट family plants of this family, lily family. This is all about chapter number 5, morphology of flowering plant. In this chapter we are discussed about the different morphological characteristic feature of the plant, along that their part of flower, root system, shoot system, and different parts just like flower, fruit, seed, etc. And last one we discussed about the semi technical description of flowering plants with their plural formula, along that important three family, Fabaceae, Solanaceae and Liliaceae. And this is all about chapter number 5, that is morphology of flowering plant.